Hey, hello, Toastmasters. It's my pleasure to be introducing our third speaker, will be Fatima, and the title of the speech is no less than Hello God. Hello God. I was advised to give you a warning. The first part of the following presentation will contain the name of an audio device that might disturb you. And if you are sound sensitive, now is the time to exit the room for a few minutes. Otherwise, you can close your ears. Don't want to hear it. Did I do a good job, Fatima? Okay, that was coming from Fatima. And please welcome Fatima.
Dear fellow Toastmasters and most welcome guests, can we estimate how many religions there are in UK? Just
Oh,
give a number.
100.
Right. You close. It is around 20 religions have believers in the United Kingdom. The most common ones you may all know: Christianity, Islam, Judaism, Hinduism, Buddhism, and the rest. I was born and raised in an Islamic family. My father, he was a very open-minded person. He didn't limit us only the Arabic version of the Quran, but also he let us to listen all the stories written in the Quran. So when I was a child, I was inspired all the beautiful stories took place in the Quran. And also in Quran, it mentions different religions and the different beliefs. So today, maybe those stories made me curious about the religion. So far, I have visited most iconic temples. I can start with the Kaaba. I went to Mexico. I went to Vatican. I visited the churches here, St. Paul, and beautiful blue walls. And all locations, I like to visit the different religion. Recently, I happened to find myself to visit Buddhist temple. I don't know if you have been in any Buddhist temple. That was my first time. It is in Wimbledon, in London. The first Thai temple, Buddhist temple, out of the Thailand. When I went there, it was so unique and special. It was like a movie, and it's seen from the movie. I was just getting the peace in the air. I was seeing all the people dressing in the orange. I wasn't scared. I wasn't getting afraid. It was so familiar, maybe because of the movies I watched so far. Because in my real life, I never seen a monk before. So they are so kind. They let people to participate in prayers, so you can just observe. If you haven't done visit temples previously, just give it a chance. Why? Why you should give it a chance to those people? Religion, from my understanding, is a group of people united around an idea, not just masters. They just excel at something different. My perception to Christianity is unconditional love. If I seek for unconditional love, I know where to find it. For Islam, if I need discipline in my life, I know where to find it. For Judaism, I know if I need some community at the heritage tradition, I know where to find it. For Hinduism, diverse than Dharma, I know where to embrace all the diversity. So these people just excel at something very good. Why not we get our gifts from them? Buddhism, as you may all know, is about online things. When I needed the most peace in my mind, I happened to find myself in the Buddhist temple. I met there Sister Rose. After the evening prayer, I was just observing. I didn't participate in the prayer. It's okay. Some people, they just avoid the religion. Some people, they ignore it. Or just they take it for granted. For me, it's just the people, they accept something very nice. So the sister told me many times, what did you learn from today's debate? So we just practiced the questions and answers. And then I happened to myself telling her the latest struggle I was having in my life. And then she just told me, let it be, let it be. I know this is very simple sentence I heard many times in my life. But when you heard something, the person who already excited something, you just copied it. So when I'm having a problem, just I find myself reminding myself, just let it go. So this is the gift I get from the youth chapter. So open your calendar, check the temples in London, so many holy places. Visit them and try to understand. Try to get your gift from the people. And this not only the Sunday to sound good because the monk started to pray with the sun. Then I checked it. It's just a universe sun. It is not even related to religion. So why not I take it? So I took it at home. So he started with the sun and then he closed the evening prayer with this. Thank you.
think we advance to everybody. I do agree. I visit different temples. I think to the one you mentioned in Wimbledon is really nice, very beautiful. But let's give her Padma some feedback.